Concurrences is a legal publisher specialized in antitrust law and economics. We've been doing this since 2004, so more 18 years of working in publications, we're doing books, we're doing events. But was a demand from our readers, from our authors, that they wanted to have training, legal training. And then I thought, if we were doing something on training, it has to be top of the art, top notch, the best innovative practice in learning. Let me tell you an example, personal example of my life. I've been studying law in France for 5 years, in the best universities, in Paris, in Montpellier. It was very good. Then I went to London for doing an LLM, it was King's College London, and that was great. The way they were teaching was so different, was so innovative, so enthusiastic. I knew that if we were doing something in legal training, it has to be the same wow experience. And that's exactly what we've done with this first course on competition compliance.
So we offer online courses, an 8-week online course, and we expect course participants to dedicate roughly 2 hours per week on a self-paced basis. And at the end, they will be awarded with a university certificate from George Washington University. We also provide live mentoring sessions in small group, where course participants will be able to discuss specific topic and work on case studies. One of the main specificities of this course is that we offer practical insights from experts from the field, offering different perspectives because these experts are private practitioners, in-house lawyers from global corporations, but also representatives of commercial agencies around the world. And they use their experience and expertise to provide tips, do's and don'ts, and best practices to course participants. So the first course we will offer very soon is dedicated to commercial compliance. And we will propose different modules to course participants to put in place different processes and best practices in order to avoid a commercial law breach. So we were looking for a learning agency to support us in this project, and LearnAssembly quickly came across as the obvious choice. We have similar values and vision, and it was great for us to collaborate with such a specialized organization like LearnAssembly.
It's really great because not only was the best advice when we launched it, but then after we said, okay, now you know how to do it, and that's it. So no, we want more. So you found us providers to keep us on the path to the final product. And you're here today with us, which is just great that you don't drop the client like this, you follow up with the client, and really, I appreciate it very much.
LearnAssembly supported us in the early days of the project and now on an ongoing basis. The communication was very easy, and they also introduced us to a great network of digital learning experts, which was very helpful for us. So in a word, really pleasant and professional. So thank you very much, LearnAssembly.